Alright, so what we see with problem 1a is that we have 304 minus 53. So I'm going to go ahead and work this out vertically first. So I have 304 minus 53, so I have 4 minus 3, which is pretty straightforward. That's just a 1. Then I have 0 minus 5, which obviously I can't do. So what I have to do is unbundle. So I moved my 10 tens from my 100 into the 10 spot right there, which means I only have 2 hundreds left. So I have 10 minus 5, which is 5, and 2 minus nothing, which is 251. So now I'm going to come over here, and I've got 1, 2, 300, and 4. Obviously I can go ahead and just subtract my 3 over here, which leaves me with 1, but I'm going to have to do a little bit of unbundling right here, so I'm going to unbundle one of my hundreds, move it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I just need to subtract 5 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which leaves me with 5 and 2, so I get 251 right here, and so this kind of represents what that looks like. Alright, so moving on to problem B, I have 406 minus 187, so I start with 406 minus 187. Now obviously I can't subtract 6 from 7, or 7 from 6, I mean. So I'm going to have to borrow from way over here in the hundreds place. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark all of these. So if I'm unbundling one of these hundreds, I'm only going to have 3 of them left. But then I'm going to go ahead and move one of those, most of those tens from the 100 I just unbundled into the tens place, but not all of them. I'm just going to move 9 into the tens place because I still have to get one of those all the way over here to the ones place. So I have 16 minus 7. And of course we know the answer to that is 9. Then we have 9 minus 8, which is 1, and 3 minus 1, which is 2, so we get 219. So let's come over here and do 1, 2, 3, 406. 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is basically what we just did. But we have the drawing to represent it now. So I'm going to go ahead and take apart my 100, move it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now technically, with our other problem, we went ahead and just did this right here so that we could get that 10 over into our one spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so now we can come back and do our subtraction. So I need to subtract 7 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left over right here. Then I am subtracting 8 from the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 1 left over. Then I'm subtracting 1 from here. So I get 119, just 219, sorry, 219, just like I did over here. All right, so moving on to the next problem, I have 501 minus 316. So once again, we're going to have to borrow with a 0 in the tens place. So if I take apart that 100, I've got 4 hundreds left. Then I put 9 of the tens into the tens place, and I put the other over in the ones place. So that gives me 11 over there. So I have 11 minus 6, which equals 5. 9 minus 1, which equals 8. And 4 minus 3, which equals 1. So I end up with 185. So we're going to come over here and do this now. So I need to take apart that 100. Go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then take that apart. Move it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I can start my subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like I've got 5 left over. Looking good so far. I have 9. I need to take away 1, which obviously is going to leave me with 8 of those. Then I need to take away 3 from my hundreds place. So 1, 2, 3 leaves me with 185, 185.